Hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change Google Chrome's language back to English or to any other language quickly and easily. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to support it by giving it a like. Alright, so first, open up Google Chrome. Then go to the three dots in the top right corner. From there, select the second to last option, which is Settings. Now, if your browser is in a language you don't understand, don't worry, you will still see the settings icon right here. Next, go to this option which is Languages. You will also see a small language icon next to it. On this page, you will see the main language of your browser. For example, mine is in French right now. Below that, you will find any additional languages you have added. If the language you want is already there, like here, I have English as my second option, but I want to make it my primary language. All I need to do is to click on these three dots next to it and choose the first option to set it as the default. But if the language you need isn't listed, just click on this Add button. From here, you'll see a list of all the languages in the world. Just select the one you want and click on this icon to add it. Now, once you have done choosing your language, the final step is to hit this relaunch button. Chrome will restart and boom, the language is changed. And that's it, super simple, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.